So regarding fructose metabolism, we have fructose. We use fructose kinase enzyme, which is ATP mediated, and attach phosphate group with fructose, which is known as fructose 1-phosphate. This fructose 1-phosphate using an enzyme known as aldolase B, using aldolase B enzyme to make two things: glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. It make two things. This dihydroxyacetone phosphate, it can also be converted into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. This glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is give glycolysis. It is goes into the glycolysis. Aldolase B enzyme convert glyceraldehyde and convert fructose 1-phosphate into glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. There is a ketone and there is aldehyde. This interrelation, this ketone and aldehyde, it also isomerate by isomerase enzyme and convert either form. This dihydroacetone is converted into glyceraldehyde. This dihydroxyacetone is converted into, not here, over here, isomerase enzyme. This dihydroxyacetone, it converted into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate by isomerase enzyme, and this glyceraldehyde, it is converted into we just add a phosphate by a kinase enzyme to make glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. So it is very much simple. This glyceraldehyde can be used into glycerol. So in fructose metabolism, we just need to focus fructose from the different type of carbohydrates, different type of fruit sugar. Fructose, this sugar add a phosphate group by a kinase, ATP mediated kinase, to make fructose 1-phosphate. It uses aldolase B to make a ketone body and aldehyde. This aldehyde simply add a phosphate by a kinase enzyme to make glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, and the acetone, it's just isomerase. It's acetone can be converted into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. It already has a phosphate, so it just change its functional group and make an aldehyde to make aldehyde 3 phosphate, which is known as glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate, which is used into the body to make glycolysis. So if we don't have this enzyme, so we don't have fructose kinase enzyme, we cannot make fructose 1-phosphate. So there is a essential fructose. This problem is known as fructose. We cannot use this fructose to make glycolysis. So the fructose is in the blood, fructose is in the urine. So fructosemia and fructoseuria. So we cannot metabolize this fructose. So this whole pathway, this fructose kinase pathway, it is overtaken by hexokinase enzyme. Hexokinase enzyme, it substitutes or overtake this fructose kinase conversion, and the person is not suffering from any kind of condition. So this is essential fructoseuria or essential fructosemia. But if we don't have this aldolase B enzyme, so we know aldolase B, we can convert this fructose into fructose 1-phosphate, but we cannot use that fructose 1-phosphate to make glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. So there is a problem known as fructose intolerance or classic fructoseuria intolerance. We cannot do glycolysis. We don't have ATP. we cannot make ATP, we cannot do gluconeogenesis because ATP is used in gluconeogenesis, we cannot use glycogenolysis. So there is increased level of fructose 1-phosphate which is stored into the liver causing the cirrhosis. Whenever a person is using fruits, honey, or it uses any kind of juice type of thing, consumption, whenever the person is using this kind of thing, he or her is suffering from fructose intolerance or fructose ureohepatic cirrhosis, they alter enzyme, so it can lead to jaundice, hypoglycemia and vomiting. So how to treat this? How to diagnose it? First we diagnose this. The urine dipstick cannot diagnose the sugar because urine dipstick is just for glucose type of carbohydrate, detecting glucose type of carbohydrate. But if we do urine reducing sugar type of test, that is positive. So there is a reducing sugar but it is not detectable on the urine dipstick, so we have to do other test too in order to evaluate this problem. So how to treat? Just avoid fructose, and also we cannot use sucrose, table sugar, because sucrose has glucose and fructose, and also we cannot use sorbitol. So avoid those components which has one or two kind of fructose or sugar, fructose type of sugar. So this is all about fructose metabolism and fructose, the two problems of fructose.